Okay, let's just see how accurate our model is. So if I go create a code, we just type in something like this. Okay, accuracy, that could be any name you want, is equal to model.score. Dot score meaning the score of our machine learning model on the test set. Okay, so the score where on the X test and on your Y test. Remember, we split the data. There we go. Okay, and then let's just print accuracy. Okay, so if I play this one, oh, that's good. I'm having a 90% accuracy. So our model is quite accurate. Let's see if our model is able now to predict our data. So let's create a code. Let's say, for example, let me just delete this one. Let's say, for example, predict the data. Okay, I'll save this. Okay, and then let's create now a code. And then what I want now is to create a variable, for example, new data, okay, is equal to, if I open up the heart disease CSV file, right, there we go. So remember the last column is a target. So I'll copy this one, okay, there's age, sex, chest pain, and so on. I'll copy this, okay, and then all I have to do is just to paste it here. So don't forget this one, and then your semicolon. So remember what I copied is, when I copied it, I only copied everything except for the last column, which is the target. If you remember, the target now is the one that we dropped, okay? The one that we dropped from our database or from our data, okay? So remove the comma here, and then let's just see if it's able to predict the data. So all I have to do here is just type in model.predict. What do I want you to predict? The new data. Okay, I play this one. Let's see. Okay, array is equal to 1, meaning it was able to predict, or machine learning was able to predict this one. Let's try another data. Let's say, for example, this one. I'll copy this one and see if it's able to predict now um, 1 as well. So copy, delete this one, then paste it, and play. Okay, good. It was able to predict 1. So what about the 0, meaning the person has no heart disease? So if you see some blank rows, blank columns here, that is 0. Let's try to copy this one, in which the age of our person is 44, but this time he doesn't have heart disease, which is 0. So I'll copy this, paste it there, and let's see. Oops, okay. At least 13 input. I think I didn't copy everything. Let me just check. Oh, sorry. I think, let's look for the one with 0. There we go. All right. Sorry. I think those were two numbers. So the one with 0, I'll copy this and let's paste it here as well. Okay. I play this one. Oh, it's 0, meaning he was able to predict our test file or our test data. Let's try this one again and let's see. Okay. All right. So what was that one? Okay, so he was not able to predict this because it was only, for example, a 90% accuracy. But overall, I think that's good. Let's try this one again. Let's see if it's able to predict this one. Paste. Okay, let's see. 0. Okay, so with that 90% accuracy, for example, now you could type in now your age, your sex, cholesterol level, and so on. You could now invert. You could now say, for example, put in your numbers. For example, my age is, I'm 25 years old, and then I'll type in the data that I want. Let's just see. Okay, do I have? Oh, let me. My sex. 1 is male, 0 is female. So I'll just put in 1. Do I have chest pain? Um, Just if I look at my blood chemistry or my chemistry, say for example, 100 in the fourth column, which is my cholesterol level. For example, my cholesterol level is 300, and you can type in the numbers, any numbers that you want based on your lab results. Then your machine learning now can predict if you have heart disease or not. Okay. Now we can do something like this as well. Okay. What we can do is let's spray this now into a new variable. So let's, for example, answer is equal now to this one. Okay, so answer is equal to the result here. Now, from our code, we can do something like this. If answer, okay, is equal now to this one, array 1, oops, okay, I'm not sure if I could copy this one. Is there we go. Then we can say, for example, print this person has a heart disease. Okay, else we could print something like this. Print this person is healthy. Okay, let's just check if the code works. If I play this one, there we go. If I play this one again, okay, invalid syntax. Okay, this I think there should be no space there. Then print, there we go. So the indentations are quite important. Okay, invalid syntax again. Let's just check this again. Probably I just have to make this one. Let's see. Oh, okay, I saw the error. Sorry. This should be here. Okay, so indentations are very important. So if I play this one, the or name error is not defined. So this should be one. There we go. There we go. This person has a heart disease. Let's try now, for example, trying to have another data. Say for example, let's try this one. No. Okay, let's try this one. Let's copy this one and just paste the data here. And then we're going to play it again and then play it again. Okay, so this person is healthy. So that's how you're able to predict data using machine learning. Okay, so that's the end of our second machine learning program. In the next lesson, we're going to build now a movie recommendation system, okay, using machine learning. So I'll see you in the next lesson.